I'm Sakshi and I'm from a life science background. So I did M Pharma and then I think of switching the course from M Pharma to a technical background so I joined PG Diploma in AI/ML in healthcare. So ma'am, with that course I got to know about Python, uh, how to use the Python libraries and how to implement these data sets into solving real world problems, ma'am. And also, I got to know about R programming languages. And previously, I was little shy, and the communication skills classes boost my confidence up to sometimes. And my course is still going on, healthcare module and quantitative aptitude. Are still going on. Yeah, that's it. And I've December batch joining. Yeah.
Okay, December last year, PG Diploma.
Yeah,
So it's gonna be there for a
uh,
while. Yes.
yeah,
And
30th
how
December.
about the placement, Sakshi? Which company have you joined, and how's it going? Have you joined already, or the joining date is gonna come?
Yeah, ma'am. I've joined to Smart Card AI, and from today only they have started giving guidance to me, and now they're giving up 2 to 3 hours guidance only, like that only. Yeah, ma'am.
So is it like a work from home thing? What is it? What role is it? Do you know about the role? Do you have the clarity over the everything apart from the which company have you joined? Let's start from here. Smart card
Okay.
using.
Yeah, Smart Card AI. It's a startup which I opened in 2023 only. Kept me for software AI developer intern also and API tester intern also. So
Nice.
right now they're guiding me on both. Then they will show me that in which field I'm good at. Then they will switch me on that only. They have
Oh,
multiple
that's
opportunities
nice.
on that. Yeah,
Amazing. That is great,
yeah,
great. So, how did the interview go? Your interview would have been a little tough because it's a tech role now, which you
yeah,
have picked up for sure in the life science background. Like being in the life science domain, we study very different things, and then completely switching over to a tech role and competing with the tech guys was that very difficult for you, or it wasn't that difficult? You initially thought it would be, but now it is fine. How are you feeling about the role?
ma'am. It was difficult. First, it was an HR round where they have asked about the JD, various things that are mentioned in the JD, like technical terms and technical tools. Have you know about it? Have you used it like that? And then they have selected for technical round only. And then the CEO of the company, Jude Matthew sir,
All round.
uh,
Hmm.
yeah, they took my technical round in which they have asked about various questions like they have given a sentence in which I have to know about I have to write a code to tell which sentences are a palindrome words in that only. And then they have given a data set, CSV data sets, and in that I have to change name of the columns and various other things, ma'am. Yeah,
So
so
a
it
tough one,
was
but you
little
cracked
tough.
it.
Yeah, ma'am.
But you cracked it.
Uh,
It is
yeah,
amazing.
actually, ma'am, they're seeing the problem solving techniques also. One question
Okay.
was unable to answer, but they are seeing the pros
Rest
that
was fine.
how I'm going to that. Yeah,
Understood. That's great. Amazing. Sakshi,
yeah,
thank you so much for all your kind words and your,
mm,
brilliant understanding of, the clarity of what we are going to talk. Sakshi, also, I want you to know, and I really want to acknowledge the fact that, yes, we are from life science, and getting into the tech is little difficult for us for sure,
yes,
but we have our own niche here, and
yeah, ma'am,
it is definitely going to pay off in the long run. And
yeah,
the way the AI is coming up in healthcare also is very very important. And
Yes, ma'am.
I wish more people understand this and more people pick up on these rules, because this is where the future is for all of us.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
AI is
you have
taking
really,
everywhere. Yeah.
absolutely, it is taking over. And healthcare is very, very critical. It is very important that, it we also buckle up, we also work towards it. And you have really proved it. You have
Yeah,
cracked the
ma'am.
interview, you have done your bit, you have done your part, you have. And I'm sure that, throughout the training also, you would have really, really given a lot of efforts,
Yeah,
learning data
yeah, ma'am.
sets, practicing on them, and all that
True,
is too
ma'am.
much. And thank you so much. And
Yeah.
I wish you all the best from Cleany Launch and from my side. In future, if anything is there for us, please do let us know. We are here for your help. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Sakshi.